I think I've been very blessed. I've been very blessed because I think I've had a lot of coaches that has really been very good motivators. And let me start with my first coach, Tom Jordan. Tom Jordan was a coach that is still participating in events today. I think right now he holds the world's record for the high jump for over 60 and the pole vault for over 60. He's still competing. But one thing that was unique about him is he made me believe in myself. He made me believe that as long as you work hard, as long as you put your priorities straight. What I meant by that is what was so strange about him is he saw this fat little kid that had no talent, that he realized that I had no confidence in myself as well, that he would wait after Sunday after church. He'd come to my home and pick me up. He'd take me out to the track. And what was unique about it wasn't that he got me out at the track trying to kill me. He got me out there teaching me technique, teaching me different things like that. And he made me trust in myself, made me trust in what I was doing, and I looked up to him. And then I was fortunate enough to go to a University of Georgia, where I got underneath a coach by the name of Vince Dooley. And Coach Dooley was very unique because he was from the military. And I always thought Coach Dooley didn't like me. But what was so weird about it, he brought discipline in my life. He showed me that how to do things right, how to do them the right way, and to respect myself and respect others around me, and most of all, how to play as a team, that a team is everything. And I left there and went to the USFL and had someone by the name of Walt Michaels, who happened to be, he was a former coach with the Jets, and he continued to instill that teamwork into me. But those were Christian people that I was around. Well, I left the New Jersey Generals and happened to come to a place with the Dallas Cowboys under Tom Landry. And it was so unique because I credit Coach Landry as probably my best coach I ever had in my life. A man that was more than just a coach. He was a great father, a great dad, a great coach, a great husband. And I remember one day there was a player that was having some problems at home. And I remember Coach Landry telling him to go home because he said, you know what, I want you to make sure your home life is together first, because you're not going to play well for me here. And I respected him so much about that because it wasn't about the game. It was about you as a person. And then just to be around him for a while. And, and then I think from then on, having a guy in my life, and I think those are coaches that meant so much to me there.